How good is human hearing at different frequencies? This is a signal generator. It can make a whole range of frequencies. And they can change the volume as well. The speaker is vibrating 50 times every second, so the frequency of this sound is 50 Hertz. Angela and Sam put their hands up as soon as they can hear the sound, and Kieran takes a note of the volume for each of them. Caroline increases the frequency, and they start again. Here are the results. The frequency goes along the bottom. The volume required to hear the sound goes up the side. Angela's hearing is about the same at most frequencies. The volume had to go up to about 2 before she could hear it. Like most people, her hearing isn't quite so good at high frequencies, so the volume had to go up a little bit higher. Human hearing is limited. Above about 16,000 Hertz and below 20 Hertz, Angela can't hear anything, no matter how loud the sound. Sam's results were about the same as Angela's. Angela has a job where there's a lot of loud noise, so how will it affect her hearing? Sam's putting on headphones. He's the control in this experiment. Angela is otherwise known as DJ Angel.
I don't usually wear ear protection when I'm DJing because I like to hear the music fully. I like to hear what the crowd hears. Usually when I've finished a gig, my hearing's a little bit muffled and it takes a while for it to just back to normal again. I suppose I really should wear ear protection when I'm working to protect my ears, but it would make life that little bit more difficult.
After the gig, they do the same experiment again. What do you think's going to happen? Sam's hearing is about the same as before, but the volume has to be turned up before Angela can hear it. At high frequencies, she has real difficulty hearing the sound. Here are Angela's results from before. Afterwards, the volume had to be turned up much higher, especially at high frequencies. What do you think's happened inside her ears? Remember, high-frequency sounds are detected near the entrance of the cochlea. So those cells are more likely to be damaged by loud sounds and to stop working. A very loud high-frequency sound can damage the cells for good. Loud music shouldn't damage your hearing permanently, but listening to it every day could cause Angela problems. What precautions should she take while she's working?